Hi, I'm William, and today we will take a look at the new Super D-Lite 5 and Homage 5 with the new Bosch drive system. There have been speculations and discussions over the last few months. Now they are here. The new Super D-Lite 5 and Homage 5 with the new Bosch drive system, and we're finally allowed to talk about them. So here we go. The Super D-Lite 5 is the latest member of the new Controltech family, including D-Lite 5, Homage 5 and now the Super D-Lite 5. It is visually similar to the D-Lite 5, but has a second battery installed in the top tube. In total, this gives us a battery capacity of 1200 Wh, even more than the previous Super D-Lite. This is made possible by the new Bosch batteries, which maximize the range with 800 Wh in the down tube and 400 Wh in the top tube. Both batteries are charged at the same charging point on the bike or can be removed and charged separately externally. The motor is also new. The Super D-Lite 5 is powered by the new Bosch Performance Line CX with 85 Nm of torque. The bike now runs with the Bosch Smart System. We already presented the Homage 5 with the Pinion MGU in detail in July. I will therefore not go into further detail on this. If you would like to know more, take a look at the video on the D-Lite 5 and Homage 5 with Pinion MGU. Here you can also learn about the details regarding the modified geometry and design. You can find the link in the video description. Now, the low step-through Homage 5 is also available with the new motor and the 800 Wh battery from Bosch. This is made possible by the multi-drive system, which allows us to offer different drive and battery systems on the same frame platform. This means that in addition to the Pinion motor gearbox unit, you can now also choose the Bosch version with the Performance Line CX in combination with the derailleur or hub gear system for the Homage 5. There are 3 gear variants to choose from, for both the Super D-Lite 5 and the Homage 5. Touring with an 11-speed Shimano Q's derailleur, Vario with a continuously variable gear hub from Enviolo in combination with the low-maintenance Gates carbon belt, and Roll-Off with the electric E14 gear hub, also with a carbon belt. By the way, the Roll-Off has a new improved control element, which is a lot easier to handle. For the display options, there are 3 choices. The standard Purion 200, a combination of Purion 200 and Smartphone Grip, and Purion 200 in combination with the Kiox 500. The other features are identical to those of the D-Lite 5 and Homage 5 with Pinion, which we presented to you in July. These include the Fox AWL front suspension fork with 120mm travel, and the Fox Float Rhythm shock with 110mm travel. The X-Fusion dropper post with which you can lower the saddle, for example to stop at traffic lights. In addition, the TRP full piston brake system for even more braking power with 203mm brake discs at the front and the rear. There is also the M99 Mini Pro lighting system with high beam and the Supernova TL3 Pro rear light with deceleration and emergency brake signal. The RX chip is also fitted as standard on both models, allowing you to take advantage of Connect Care Free, our fully comprehensive insurance package that we offer for the first year free of charge. After activating the service in the My Bike section of our website, your bike is insured for 1 year. The service is available in Germany, Austria, France, the Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. This includes our recovery service, Europe-wide coverage from the first ride, and all without an excess. Of course, there are also the functions of the RX Connect app included, which you can use to locate your bike via GPS tracking, lock it digitally, and view riding statistics. Additionally, you can activate our premium guarantee that extends the warranty of your frame from 2 to 5 years, protecting the frame and swing arm from breakage, simply by registering your bike to your My Bike account. We also have a couple of configuration options. For more grip on gravel roads, there is the GX option with off-road tyres and flat pedals. The lock chain with its newly designed bag by Vaude is in addition to the standard frame lock. If you want more storage space, you can choose the front carrier. An option that is only possible in combination with the Bosch system, as it is developed by Bosch, is the ABS 2.0. This prevents the front wheel from locking and helps to avoid skidding or going over the handlebars when braking. If you opt for ABS 2.0, the Magura MTC brakes are installed. The PowerMore 250 range extender is also Bosch specific and an option for the Homage 5. Simply attached to the bottle holder, it increases the battery capacity to 1050 Wh. And to preempt the question, the Powermore cannot be retrofitted to the Super D-Lite 5, as 3 battery series are not supported by Bosch at the moment. The Homage 5 is available in the colours Warm Silver and Night, the Super D-Lite 5 in Moss. To summarise, the Super D-Lite 5 completes the family of the high-tech premium full suspension models. It stands out with a battery capacity of 1,200 watt-hours. The batteries and motor come exclusively from Bosch. In addition to the pinion option, the Homage 5 is now also available with the Bosch drive. And thanks to the multi-drive system, this is possible without any major structural changes. That's it from me. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, ride safe, and see you soon.